What is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys with another accessory review and installation on the Tesla Model Y. The internet is flooded with many different styles of hubcaps for your Tesla. However, a company called BASENOR reached out to me so that I can go ahead and test their hubcaps. So without further ado, here is the hubcap from BASENOR. This style is called the CYCLONE. It's specifically a 19-inch setup for your Tesla. And the finish on this one, it's going to be a matte finish. Now, if you take a look at the very back, you've got these little clips right here that will go in between the different spokes of your rim. And what we'll go ahead and do is we're going to install it in the Tesla. To remove your stock caps, all you want to do is you want to grab one hand here, and you're just slowly going to pull on each spoke. And the hubcap comes off, and it's just held by these clips that actually go right in here, and then you've got your center that go here. So very easy to remove. Now, putting on the hubcap requires a little more effort because these are newer. These are going to fit very tight as I did do the other three. Here's your valve stem. The BASENOR does come with it here, so what you want to do is you want to line it up. And I find the best way to do it is just to kind of push initially the first couple, like such. And from here, the center is going to be the most difficult part. Don't try to close these because this will not go in. So I've got these three. You're going to essentially hit the middle with the palm of your hand. There you can hear that it's snapped in really well. These are still in. From here, push them in, and that is it to the install. You can go and make sure that it fits, which is good. And if you ever need to remove these, it's going to be the same process. You'll grab here, and just pull out. But that is it for the covers.